Welcome to Ngcobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngcobo2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngcobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm cool, my man, and you?
Joe Banana.
The coolest kid in Africa.
Hey, tada.
Sure.
Your take on the game today?
Eish, Brian, I'm disappointed, and I'm not disappointed.
Yeah. Let's start with the first one. You're disappointed.
Yeah, I'm disappointed the way guys performed today. I think they're worse than the game of Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
So we expected them to go more further from where they last off.
Yeah.
But they did disappoint us. I think Coach Nabi, he's not bad at all. Yeah, they just need to give him a chance and get him the players he wants. That's where we're gonna start blaming him. And then to the players, I'm very happy about Kaka performance here, Mart and Cross. I think they've improved a lot. The reason I'm saying this, if you remember last few games, I was complaining too much about them. I was complaining about Mart, Cross and Mteto. But if you check Mart, he have improved. Like, he did play 4 games in a row. He plays well, which means whatever we're complaining about him, he did listen to that. That's where he is getting more better and better and better. But if you check Cross, he's so if you check Mteto Ox, yeah, I think Mteto is losing it. I don't think this thing of football is his talent. To my side, I think Mteto, if you check him, he must just go and perform Maskandi. That's where he belongs.
Do we think you are fair?
100% fair.
Yeah, but you were celebrating last week when you took a cup.
No, listen.
With him.
We did celebrate. Celebrating doesn't mean he did perform well.
No, but he did. He came in and created a goal.
No.
And the goal that won you a cup.
No, I want to show you something. You can play bad football 90 minutes and at that time you score a goal.
That's important.
No. Listen to me. Let me finish first.
Okay.
That doesn't mean you're a good player. You did score a goal, which is a lucky goal for you. You are not a best as others, meaning you have to improve more. So next time we can score more goals than that one goal.
Can I interject?
Yes.
You are not motivating him to be a better player. Can I finish?
Okay.
Instead of you motivating him, you are telling him, you are saying he must go to Maskandi. He is where he is today because he's a professional player. You get my point?
I get you.
And when he scores, you celebrate.
Yes.
My point here is that for you to celebrate like other teams or Pirates or Sundowns,
yes,
you need to support this boy. If Asai Rishapo, Mukutadze,
yes,
motivate him. Don't is a Sundowns supporter or Pirates supporter who can say what you said to your player. But if you demoralize your player and say he must go and do Maskandi, it's unless maybe if you are joking or what. But then here we are talking about a big team that didn't qualify for top 8 twice in a row.
Yes,
you must motivate them. Give them at least give them a motivational, motivational words for them to win the cup that you want them to win.
Yes.
But if you say he must go for Maskandi, you are demoralizing him.
Let me tell you something. Most of the time, especially on sports, especially on football, actually, not at any sports. Most of the time, we protect players when they are not doing well. But if you say this player is not doing well, if he's not performing, my brother, I'm telling you, these people, they see all these things.
Exactly.
Hey,
tell him to train more.
No. You need to be straight. Tell straight. Just like my son. If my son or my daughter do something wrong, I don't have to go around the corner. I must just tell her straight or him straight that you are doing what I don't want.
Correct.
And then from there, that's where you're going to sit down and do the right thing. Meaning, I'm telling you, that's why I'm saying these people, they see all these interviews. Like the likes of Mart, the likes of Cross. We were crying about those people. We were talking a lot of things, a lot of stuff, and we'll not talk the same way. You understand? But at the end, those people, they are doing well. That's what I'm trying to say. You understand? So what I'm saying, he must pull up his socks.
Yeah, he mustn't go to Maskandi.
Join the group. No.
Right now. Now you are right now.
What I'm saying about the reason I'm saying he must join Maskandi is also a good reason. I know where I see him. With the artist of Maskandi, I know. Each and every week I know where I see him. And he knows very well. That's why we meet up. That's I know very well.
Yeah, but then remember, let's give this thing like maybe 5 minutes or so. Ne? My point is, I don't have a problem you criticizing your players.
Yes.
When you criticize him, tell him to train harder, to work harder.
Yes.
Don't tell him to go to Maskandi. When he goes to Maskandi, it's his own time.
I understand you 100%.
Yeah,
and I'm with you. I'm with you. And even if I'm saying he must go and join Gospel or Maskandi, that's why you can say no. Why Joe Banana say I must join this thing? Meaning I have to work hard where I am if I like this place where I am. But if I don't like this place, then I must go and join Maskandi. Maybe it's my talent. Remember, there are a lot of people who joined the wrong part of their lives while their talent is behind, but there's someone who must show them where the talent is.
No, thank you so much. I'm not going to win with this. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngoba2010sharpi.com.